and welcome back to Cooking with T. Looking for something quick and simple to make for yourself or your family? Then you tune into the right place. So let's see what I'm cooking today. So here I have my ground beef cooking. I'm breaking it up into smaller chunks until it's thoroughly cooked, and it should take about 5 minutes or so. So while the ground beef is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and start preparing the toppings for the tacos. Lettuce, black olive, cheese, tomatoes, and I brought some guacamole. You want to go ahead and add your seasoning to your ground beef. I add salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. After the meat have browned, you want to go ahead and drain your ground beef, add water and taco seasoning. Make sure to stir and let it simmer for a few minutes. The ground beef is done. I am now transferring to a food container. After you heat up your taco shells as directed on the box, you are now ready for toppings. Alright guys, here are the finished tacos. I hope you enjoyed this easy, simple beef taco recipe. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you the next time. Bye.